Not everyone has the time or the energy to constantly take care of a garden. The good news is, some perennials are so easy to grow, they practically take care of themselves. In this video, we're looking at 7 perennials perfect for lazy gardeners who still want a beautiful, thriving landscape.
Now, before we begin, don't forget, you can find all the plants and tools featured in our videos through the link on your screen or in the description.
Number 1. Brunnera Jack of Diamonds. Brunnera Jack of Diamonds is a standout shade perennial known for its large, heart-shaped leaves with a silvery sheen. The bold foliage instantly brightens darker corners of the garden, giving it a lush and refined look without relying on constant blooms. In spring, small blue flowers add a soft, delicate touch above the leaves. What makes this plant perfect for lazy gardeners is how little it asks for. Once established, it handles shade conditions easily, tolerates dry periods better than many other shade plants, and rarely suffers from pests or diseases. It naturally forms a full, tidy clump without needing frequent attention. In the landscape, Jack of Diamonds works beautifully under trees, along shaded borders, or in woodland-style plantings. It fills space effortlessly and keeps the garden looking full and polished with almost no maintenance. Number 2. Geranium Biokovo. Geranium Biokovo is a low-growing perennial that quietly spreads into a soft, attractive ground cover. Its pale pink to nearly white flowers appear in late spring, while the fine textured foliage creates a clean and natural look throughout the season. It's one of those plants that blends easily into almost any garden style. This geranium is incredibly forgiving and easy to grow. It tolerates a wide range of conditions, including partial shade and dry soil, and once established, it requires very little care. It spreads steadily without becoming aggressive, making it ideal for low-maintenance planting. In the landscape, Biokovo works perfectly along the front of borders, under shrubs, or as a filler plant between larger perennials. It helps cover bare ground and keeps the garden looking neat without extra effort. Number 3. Allium Serendipity. Allium Serendipity is a compact ornamental onion that adds both structure and charm to the garden. Its round lavender-pink flower heads sit neatly above grassy foliage, creating a clean and modern look throughout the season. It's the blooms that appear in early to mid-summer and hold their shape beautifully. This plant is especially well-suited for lazy gardeners because of its toughness. It tolerates drought, resists deer and pests, and doesn't require frequent watering or maintenance once established. It naturally grows into a tidy clump that stays well-behaved in the garden. In the landscape, Serendipity works well in sunny borders, edging, or mixed perennial beds. Its neat form and reliable performance make it an easy addition to any low-maintenance planting scheme. Number 4. Penstemon Husker Red. Penstemon Husker Red is a tough, reliable perennial known for its deep reddish foliage and soft white to pale pink flower spikes. The contrast between the dark leaves and light blooms gives it a clean, designer look without needing much effort. Even when it's not flowering, the foliage still adds strong visual interest. This plant is a great choice for lazy gardeners because it handles heat, drought, and average soil conditions with ease. Once established, it rarely needs extra watering and doesn't require constant pruning or fussing. It also tends to stay relatively pest-free, making it even easier to manage. In the landscape, Husker Red works best in sunny borders where its upright flower spikes can rise through surrounding plants. It blends nicely with grasses and other perennials, helping create a full, layered look with very little maintenance. Number 5. Aralia Sun King. Aralia Sun King is a bold foliage perennial that instantly brightens shaded areas of the garden. Its large, glowing chartreuse leaves create a tropical, high-end look, even though the plant itself is incredibly easy to grow. It fills space quickly and makes shady spots feel alive and vibrant. One of the biggest reasons this plant is perfect for lazy gardeners is its toughness. It thrives in partial shade, adapts to different soil types, and requires very little care once established. It naturally grows into a large, full clump without needing shaping or constant attention. In the landscape, Sun King works beautifully in woodland gardens, shaded borders, or under trees. It acts as a bold anchor plant that keeps the garden looking lush and intentional without any extra work. Number 6. Nepeta Cat's Pajamas. Nepeta Cat's Pajamas is a compact cat mint that produces waves of lavender blue flowers over soft aromatic foliage. The plant has a relaxed flowing habit that makes garden borders feel natural and full. It's one of those perennials that looks like it took effort, but really didn't. This is one of the easiest perennials you can grow. It thrives in full sun, tolerates drought, and keeps blooming for a long stretch of the season. Even if you forget about it, it continues to perform well with minimal care. In the landscape, Nepeta Cat's Pajamas works perfectly along the front of borders or edging pathways, where its soft form can spill outward. It pairs easily with almost anything, making it a reliable filler plant in low-maintenance designs. Number 7. Agastache Blue Fortune. Agastache Blue Fortune is a long-blooming perennial that brings soft purple flower spikes and a light, airy presence to the garden. The flowers attract pollinators while the plant itself maintains a clean and upright shape. It's a great way to add movement and color without adding extra work. Agastache is incredibly low maintenance once established. It thrives in heat, tolerates dry conditions, and rarely needs attention beyond basic care. It's one of those plants that performs best when you simply leave it alone. In the landscape, Agastache Blue Fortune works best in sunny borders where its flower spikes can rise above surrounding plants. It adds height and softness at the same time, helping create a balanced, effortless planting. A beautiful garden doesn't mean hours of work every week. With the right perennials, you can create a space that looks full, healthy, and well-designed with minimal effort. If you enjoyed this list, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me which lazy gardener plant you'd choose for your garden.